Hello, I'm Aman. I grew up in Calcutta and I've been living in Goa for the past 3 years. So I stumbled upon Jazz Academy since I was interested in learning and growing as a musician. I started with the Songwriters Toolkit course and then did the Jazz Ensemble program, and now I just completed my 1 year program, and the experience has been as pleasant as it could be. I learned a lot. There's just so much that this academy has to offer. So anyone from a beginner to an intermediate to even advanced musician can come here and for sure get something to add to their skills and knowledge.
Awesome. Okay, what has the 1 year program at GJA taught you?
Well, it has taught me quite a lot of things. First of all, it developed my skill set and understanding of jazz music, and there was another full section of harmony and ear training, which we did a deep dive into understanding how Western harmony works, and even I would also like to say that this academy helps you improve as a performer because whatever tunes we learn, we also get to perform them in front of an audience in different venues. So it really adds to that musicianship of a person.
Okay, I have two more questions to ask you. What is your most important takeaway from the 1 year program?
Resilience and patience and discipline. And also, I've learned to enjoy music a little more as I learn, because once you start understanding the theories and concepts of behind how songs are working, your day-to-day experience of listening to songs also changes. You become more aware of what's happening and why you like the tunes that you like. So
One last question. How did you like your performance today? What did you feel about it? How did your performance go?
yeah, it went pretty well. As I think this is as good as it could be, considering how much time and all that I had. But it was a very nice experience to play in front of these many people, and I played some of my favorite songs today, so I'm very happy.
Thank you, Aman.